Get ready to be amazed because today we're diving once again with our spotting scope into the hidden gem of Banda Sawantwadi, which is a paradise for bird enthusiasts that you may not even know existed on the Western Ghats. Observe and enjoy the beauty of avian wildlife. Blitz reed warbler. Here are some key details about this species. Size. It is a small bird measuring about 12 to 14 centimeters in length with a wingspan of approximately 18 to 21 centimeters. Bill. The bird has a thin pointed bill which is well suited for its insectivorous diet. Breeding habitat. Breeds in a variety of habitats including weed beds, tall grass and shrubs near wetlands, rivers and lakes. It is also found in gardens and agricultural areas with dense vegetation. Wintering habitat. During the non-breeding season, it migrates to South Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. It favors similar habitats such as dense undergrowth, scrub, and thickets. Diet primarily feeds on insects, including beetles, flies, and caterpillars. It also consumes spiders and occasionally berries. Feeding behavior. It is an active forager, often seen moving through dense vegetation and catching insects in midair or gleaning them from foliage. Nesting. The nest is typically built low in dense vegetation, often with weeds, grasses, or shrubs. It is a well constructed cup made of grass, plant fibers, and other soft materials. Eggs. The female lays 4 to 6 eggs which are incubated by both parents. The eggs hatch after about 12 to 14 days and the chicks fledge roughly 10 to 12 days after hatching. Song. Fritz Reed Warbler has a rich and varied song consisting of a series of melodious phrases, often mimicking other bird species. It sings mainly during the breeding season, both day and night. Blitz Reed Warbler plays an important role in controlling insect population in its habitats. Its migratory behavior also contributes to the genetic diversity and ecological resilience of the species. Ongoing studies focus on its migratory patterns, breeding behavior, and ecological interactions. Such research helps in understanding the broader impacts of climate change and habitat alteration on migratory bird species. In summary, Blitz-reed warbler is a fascinating and adaptable species with a wide distribution and significant ecological role. Conservation efforts and continued research are essential to ensure the health and stability of its population across its migratory range. The Malabar Pied-Hornbill, scientifically known as Anthropoceros coronatus, is a striking bird species native to the Indian subcontinent. Size. Malabar Pied-Hornbills are large birds measuring about 65 to 85 centimeters in length. Plumage. They have predominantly black plumage with white underparts and a distinctive white back on the wing coverts. The tail is white with a broad black band. Bill. The most striking feature is their large curved yellow bill with a prominent black casque, a hollow structure on the top of the bill. Eyes. They have red eyes with bare skin around them, which can range from pale to bright blue in color. Habitat. Range. These hornbills are found in the forests of the Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, and Sri Lanka. They are also present in some parts of the Indian peninsula, particularly in riparian forests. Preferred habitat. They prefer deciduous and evergreen forests, often near water bodies like rivers and lakes. Calls. Malabar pied hornbills are known for their loud cackling calls. Their vocalizations include a range of sounds from grunts to roars, which they use to communicate with each other.
Got him. He's making sound. Look at it right on the top.
Nesting season. The breeding season typically spans from January to April. Nesting behavior. The female hornbill seals herself inside a tree cavity using mud droppings and fruit pulp, leaving only a small slit through which the male feeds her and later the chicks. Eggs and incubation. Female lays 2 to 4 eggs and the incubation period lasts about 25 to 30 days. The female and the chicks stay in the cavity for several weeks until the chicks are ready to fledge. Feeding behavior. They are known to play a significant role in seed dispersal due to their fruit heavy diet. They forage in the forest canopy and occasionally come down to the ground. Diet. Malabar pied hornbills are omnivorous. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, especially figs, but they also consume small animals, insects, reptiles, and bird eggs.
Maybe for a child.
Size. The white-browed wagtail is relatively large for a wagtail, measuring about 20 centimeters in length. Plumage. It has a distinctive black and white plumage. The upper parts are black while the underparts are white. A prominent white eyebrow supercilium gives the bird its name. Tail. The tail is long and black with white outer feathers, often wagged up and down. Bill and legs. Both the bill and legs are black. Diet. The diet of the white-browed wagtail consists mainly of insects and other small invertebrates. May also consume small fish and aquatic larvae. Feeding behavior. It is often seen walking or running on the ground, frequently wagging its tail as it searches for food. It also catches insects in flight. Range. This species is widespread across the Indian subcontinent, including India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. Preferred habitat. The white-browed wagtail prefers open areas near water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. It is also found in agricultural lands, gardens, and urban areas with suitable water sources. Nesting season. The breeding season generally extends from March to September. Nesting behavior. The nest is a cup-shaped structure made of grass, roots and other plant materials lined with softer substances like feathers and hair. It is typically placed near water on a ledge or in a tree fork. Eggs. The female lays 3 to 5 eggs which are incubated by both parents. The incubation period lasts about 12 to 14 days and the chicks fledge approximately 14 to 16 days after hatching. Calls. The white-browed wagtail has a variety of calls, including a sharp chip-chip sound. Its song is a melodious series of whistles and chirps. In summary, the white-browed wagtail is a visually distinctive and ecologically important bird species found throughout the Indian subcontinent. Its adaptability to different habitats, especially those near water, highlights its resilience and the importance of preserving diverse ecosystems for its continued survival.
Adios, my birding friends. See you all next in episode 3 Banda.